Food review. Beef Tangia.
Red Horse. I'm extra satisfied strength of a world-class extra strong beer. Highly recommend it. That's why I'm wearing it. Still good.
Red Horse review.
After more than thousands of this one, still good.
Wow. How many years you are going here in the Philippines?
Philippines 10 times.
Oh, so 10 times.
10 times average, 10 red horses a day into 1 month and 30 days. So that's 300 a month.
I don't know.
Times 10 is 3,000.
Oh my God.
Plus or less.
It's not about your Red Horse love. We are reviewing the Beef Tangia here at Moco. So what's the taste? How, rate it from 1 to 10.
It's very good with the red horse.
Ang sarap mga beef. Nagme-melt kung ano Ay, nagme-melt. Tama ba? Nagme-melt? Nagkakalas na yung ano niya yung beef. Kakalas yung laman. This is good. Try it. Rate it.
Red horse, 10 out of 10.
Not the Red Horse. I'm gonna rate this Beef Tangia 9 over 10. How about you?
This cherry tomato, 10 out of 10.
Cherry tomato yan. May ulam.
Good.
Rate it nga.
I will rate it when I finish it.
Now, rate it now. The taste. Not after. You already tasted na with rice, oh.
It's very masurama.
Hindi nga, I rate 1 to 10.
This one is much better.
Rate 1 to 10. Ay! Natalag. Wala ka na sa buhay mo, malaki ka na. Na.
You want more?
Yeah, the sauce. I want the sauce. The sauce. Ang hirap naman mag-English ba eh. It's hard to speak English, especially when we have argument. So my piece of advice.
Drink red horse. So when she nags, you don't hear it that much.
Oo. Sundin nyo na lang yun, no?
When you marry a Filipino, make sure that you drink 10 red horses a day. So the last nagging will go through your scope. Just professional advice, man. I've been there.
Seryoso siya, no?
That's why I drink so much.
Oh, you're so serious.